In the depths of space, there exists an enigmatic astronomical phenomenon, pulsars. These incredibly dense remnants of supernovae emit beams of radio waves, spinning like cosmic lighthouses. As they rotate, their signals create a regular pulsing effect, rivaling the precision of atomic clocks. What truly astonishes scientists is their potential to unlock the mysteries of time itself, revealing previously unseen cosmic structures. Image this. One pulsar can precisely measure the gravitational waves from colliding black holes billions of light years away. This mind-blowing discovery not only challenges our understanding of physics, but pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Share this video and dive deeper into the marvels of space with us every day.